What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I am Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And I'm Kate.
And fall is officially upon us. And along with pumpkin spice lattes and apple festivals, it also means that football is back.
Woohoo!
Raiders!
Ravens!
Go Raiders!
Raiders!
Ravens!
And that is something that we are obviously very excited about. And there's no better food to go with watching the game than nice hot chicken wings.
And of course we're doing them Maryland style, which means we have got the Old Bay on the ready.
So today we are making chicken wings 2 ways, Old Bay style.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. Welcome back to the show. As you notice, we root for a few different teams over here, but we love Sunday football days. It's so much fun, and it's really cool that we get to be back in Maryland with some of our friends and family. Yeah. We get outside, we toss the football, we play, we eat, we just celebrate, and it's just always a blast.
And any bar type of restaurant in Maryland is going to have Old Bay wings on their menu as well, and a lot of times they are either fried or grilled. But when you're doing them on the griddle, you gotta prep the wings just right. So the best thing to do is to lay them out on some paper towel, make sure they're really good and dry, and that's gonna give you the best results to get a good crispy wing on the griddle.
So the first thing we're gonna do is let Kate give our wings a light dusting and then get them on the griddle.
Now that our wings are down, I'm gonna give them a light dusting of Old Bay on top. As we said before, we're doing Old Bay wings 2 ways. Our second way, we're going to coat in the Old Bay hot sauce. So they're gonna go down on the griddle naked, as is, without seasoning, and then we'll put the sauce on to finish them.
What's great about cooking the wings on the griddle is you can easily do a spot check to make sure that they're ready before flipping them. These look awesome. They're nice and golden and crispy, exactly how you want the skin to look. So Spencer's gonna flip them over now. Our Old Bay dry rub, I can't say it 7 times.
You can't say it once.
Our Old Bay our Old Bay dry rub wings are almost ready to be pulled off the griddle. So what we're gonna do is now give them a heavy dusting of Old Bay. Kate's gonna pour some Old Bay into the bowl first. We'll add the wings and then we'll coat them on top and then give them a nice toss.
I'm just shaking them so they get Old Bay.
You're gonna put more Old Bay on them. Go ahead and shake it.
I left the drummies on the griddle because they are a little bit thicker and take a little longer to cook.
Oh, did I make that?
Yes.
Whoops.
Now that we've thoroughly coated our seasoned wings, I'm going to throw them back on the griddle for just a minute or two to set that seasoning in the crispy skin really nice. All right, coming down the home stretch, our sauced wings are ready to be sauced. First, I'm going to sauce them right on the griddle and set that sauce in the crispy skin.
A traditional side dish to any kind of wing you get is carrots, celery, and some dip. So we've got some ranch, some carrots and celery. We're just gonna get those plated up and then we'll add our wings.
Speaking of football, we're going to call an audible here. Originally, we were going to spin our sauced wings in some more sauce after cooking them on the griddle. But after seeing how they turned out, they look absolutely fantastic, and I don't think they need any more sauce. So we're gonna take them straight from the griddle, put them right on the plate.
And then just as a little garnish, we cut up some green onion, and these look like they're ready to go.
All right, we're losing light.
Summer is coming to an end. The sun is setting a lot earlier.
Yeah, we're used to Montana summers where it stays dark or light till 10:30 at night.
All right, these look amazing. Kate and I are going in for the dry rub Old Bay seasoning.
And I'm gonna try the sauced ones first.
Wow.
That is fantastic.
Too hot, Kate?
I have yet to, this is my first time having the Old Bay hot sauce, and it's
delicious.
fantastic.
Yep, these, Old Bay everything. Old Bay all day. That's what we do over here. So good. So, you might not be able to get your hands on the Old Bay hot sauce, but I do know that the Old Bay seasoning is like throughout the
Available
states.
almost everywhere.
Yes, so definitely give these a try. It's a wonderful meal for football Sundays, football Mondays, anytime you're watching football.
Anytime you're, any party.
Yeah.
If you're having wings, put Old Bay on them. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for everything Blackstone. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell so you don't miss any new videos from any of the fantastic cooks on the channel.
From Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, Bruce, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.